Zani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Yabe sekudwini
Welcome guys to Enkundleni exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Like we always say, your trusted partner in events planning and media management. So when we're talking about events, guys, we're talking about all types of events, be it church, social, corporate, Lobola, you name it. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. And for those who want rehearsal space, Deb3 ile rehearsal space and studio. Ikhona ukuthi ubuye uzosenzela imusic yakho lathi silalele sikholise. And my name is Nondudu Zongcube and ngihamba lo host wami wensukwini. Ngihamba lo Leslie.
Yeah.
Let's look up.
Hello and welcome to Enkundleni exclusive. This is your boy Leslie. It's a topic for another day. Like I say, our episodes are powered by Ogutlet Designs for all your graphic work, graphic designing, marketing, whatever that you are doing. Etown la uvufa umkotokoto wako le boutique ihlukanisa umkotokoto wako lo abanye la ubrand umkotokoto wako and so on. So contact Ogutlet Designs kuma contact ngwafake ku screen khathesi and make sure that they get you covered for everything that you may need. Mfuka faka isingwani yami next week abantu bendelela bathi okule nyaben lengwane next week Ogutlet Designs.
Let me mention something. Today we have a very, very exciting person in the studio. I'm talking about a lady who is well known for her bold personality and lama skits akhe lawana are relatable. I'm talking about Miss Dramatic. Dramatic Miss. Miss Dramatic or Dramatic Miss? Dramatic Miss. Okay. We'll get to that. And you know what? I couldn't wait for what to shoot. Introduce in front of everyone with Nyamaz. Nyamaz, she's a fast rising content creator. Actually, I didn't even know that she was going to be a content creator. Not even to think of it, not even to suspect it. But yeah, guys, Nyamaz. Nyamaz. Yeah?
Abazali bathi ngabo khuluma nxa ngisidla.
Hayi uyaginya ubususidla.
Mfuthi intophi nyama angisuze ngidla.
Luma kancane le umphendukisa.
Uyaginya ubusukhuluma.
Amfuna ukuyidla, mfuna ukuthi uphela ku abantu babonti ama chips wadla lenyama. And ukuthi inyama oyidla emnandi. So ayisukuthi mfuna ukuyidla or something but mfuna ukuthi phela babone ukuthi. Elibele kweli. Oba umntana kokala kuzidelela phansi.
Ngela abantu bemzini. In front of everyone. In front of everyone. That's why I'm introduced ekucineni.
Salam studio ya.
Hayi.
La sibona sidla. Salam bala.
Kolamba abona umntwana nxa yaloku kubuya kuthiwe buya bethi mi buya. Khaba ngenze khona ngoba bengafuni ukubuya. Bathi yes awekela udle sakuthengela ukufuna ngidla inkukhu. Uyamagqwili.
Ande uthenga ngingayiqedi ngiphethe. Right, so namhlanje is not Dramatic Miss. Mina vele kalume bandla ngangade yena hlale because it is disaster. Well, first congratulations ku nama nomination. Kunini watandara.
Kunini ngiseqaqa kunini ngitshompoka bengamboni
je
kwehlula lama BA bengangiboni
besenza kana ukho
bethi hayilongo wesikhiwa
I think
she's not bothered.
babe mele ukuthi uqala ube lama views
When?
base bedinga ama numbers ngawe.
Finally, sesibhadele.
Hayi
Finally.
but kuphuzile akuphuzile
you know what?
ukubhadala.
Into eyikhulumayo anti.
Eh.
Into eyikhulumayo. I think vele bale system yena leyo ukuthi
Ba kumele
they want someone ozabanika mileage in terms of social media. Baye bekukhangele, they will be seeing what you are producing, the quality that you are producing, the impact and everything. Kind of criteria, they will be seeing it. But once waqalisa kuba lama followers and once waqalisa kuba le engagement, that's when they start nominating you, and they will be nominating you, not giving you the award.
yeah kenje wena
Manje
you
mna
know
ngiyaba-
it.
Babekwazi ukuthi you've got numbers and so people will say uzibani indaba engawinanga. People will
Then
talk about it.
so kule conversation
even
ngakho.
after the day of the awards. People will talk about it ukuthi but kungawina umuntu ole 12 njani kulo muntu ole ama 1000. Yabo. So I think okunye okuyidrama kabo bacanga sikubona. Sikhangele guys.
But manje mina nonduduzo ngiyadabura. Mina abantu ngiyabadabura.
Basazibonela.
Mina abantu ngiyabadabura. Nxa lingazi kuhle selikwazi ukuthi ngilendumela for one is for armed.
Lapho benzela umusa la. Ubenzela umusa.
Ngizothi ungabadabula bekumali. Right, angifuni ukuchitha isikhathi. Right, first amanama I think it's a good thing. Finally since kan 21 was it 17? 17 and and like zwi.
Yeah, you are craving for the recognition like but I'm doing work. Like why bengaboni kanti ukuthi
and bigger projects actually.
you know and sometimes you don't even want to submit yourself uyabufuna ukuthi bona babone ukuthi
Bakubone, yes.
bazibonele you know so yeah I think someone said congratulations sure so le nama ngabe ngithi it's about time.
Yeah, which is true.
Like it's about time.
Which is true.
The award, I'm not looking forward to getting the award, but that recognition would actually you are doing work, and we see, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy.
So which previous awards have you been nominated for before?
I think by virtue of being a producer and a director, I tend to push people phambili. Mina ngiyabe ngisemuva. So I don't usually submit myself for stuff.
Okay.
I don't really submit myself for stuff. So I think, to be fair, the numbers were the first thing that I submitted. Yeah, I don't normally submit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But la besa producer kona sesathatha.
And
Nkasi the wood.
Yeah, Kasi the Wood. Kulokhu zen you were there ku production team peleka Aladdin. And sathatha futhi.
Yeah.
Ipintombi
Ipintombi
BAs.
BAs athatha. Yeah, lapha mbamba khona.
Indodakazi Manaskana.
The nominations were there.
Ama nominations ayikhona. I think 2-1. 2. 3.
Was it?
We had Kumbilani, we had Rejoice and
The production itself. Okay, yes. Yeah.
okay.
Ansakwazi mina ndibheka zenzuthi inyama so.
No, but I think nje as Zimbabwe and as uBulawayo. Indaba ama awards, indaba elo it's delicate, you know, because njengakhale sisesile challenge yokuthi sekule comparison between ama BAA namanam.
Yeah.
Whereas someone asked me a very funny question. You know, my BAA, they had selected a best actress for Ipintombi, from Ipintombi, right? Okay. So someone came to me watching. So lapha lithini ngama BAA lithini ngama nama. If ama BAA bukeli footage ya Ipintombi, they recognize someone else as a best actress who Ipintombi. Then the namas come and they recognize someone completely different. I couldn't answer that question.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I think the criteria is obviously different.
How?
How? Anti each awards institution has its own set of criteria. Anti.
Go on.
I think kuyafanana la kubo even ama pageants, ama modeling pageants.
No, but
you
for
find
theater,
you find
it can't.
No, I'm saying
Akusuze kuhambela because kumodeling and for example if you're doing Miss Global or Miss Business or something and you're not only looking for a model but but you are looking for someone ole qualification ye business
And
who's
pushing
business
that-
minded and what and so sengaba le catwalk sharp but engela I business thing and so but ku theater now theater is theater
Theatre is theatre.
theater yila ukuthi kuthiwa kule criteria yokuthi sifuna nje so
sukhohle ukuthi there was a time kwaba le conflict ngama BAAs and then kwaphuma statement sokuthi we are looking at equality storyline. We're looking for the quality of the, if it's a
We're
video,
saying-
Zwana, we're looking for its social impact, we're looking at this. So that's what I'm saying, with social impact ngala bakho.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Mina, it can make sense. Go maybe music and what and give me it can make sense. But into enjoying a theater, into enjoying a poetry, into enjoying a stand-up comedy, into tingakala vele iwani
actress. Ah, okay.
Into
I think I'm
tingakala
getting you. I
iwani
think I'm
because
getting you.
ipintombi besuku same cast ku ipintombi
production, yeah.
same production and then ipintombi had 4 nominations ku BAA.
2 best actress, lo best director, best production.
Or director right. So what she's saying is good best actress good BAA. They picked someone over the same production.
The same
Wow
production.
winner. Ukuba ngu best actress. Submit ipintombi. Then kumanama they pick someone ku same production. Bamnominate ukuthi nguye I-actress. Then lo winileyo ku BAA nge same production ngakho.
Ah, madoda. So lapha kahle indaba yakhona yeah.
No, mina ngitsho
Because-
ukuthi ayisikuthi maybe ngxenye kuthiwa ngama awards ukuthi amanye se Central Africa amanye se West Africa ukuthi type of acting ayifanani kumbe vele even ku music we are trying to make it make sense but it doesn't make sense and ukuthi kuthiwe umuntu obe yi male artist of the year kobulawayo akala ngitsho 1 nomination kumanama
National.
sithini lapha. I understand the criteria and everything but I'm saying nxa thina sithi fanana lesikole anti umuntu wena oba ngu number 1 ukugijima esikolo sakho nguye ohambisa yamela isikolo kuma district
Efika
So-
bekunamba last phela kwesinsikhathi.
but uyabefikile kuma district ayikona ukuthi umuntu abe ngu number 1 esikolo kuma district angayi kuhamba umunye obe ngu number 6 esikolo.
So we are not making, we don't want to make assumptions. The question stands. We start questioning credibility yama awards. Ukuthi phakathi kwamanama lama BAA
Ngoyoyekethisa
so we are not sure. We don't want to make assumptions. Like I'm saying, we don't want to make assumptions. But the question will still stand. Ukuthi
Ukhona oyi-one olengana.
it's literally the same production. You know, it's literally the same production, same everything that's submitted there is submitted there.
one of them.
And angazi but kwabanye I think ama adjudicators futhi kwamanye amalukuzena afana amanye ama adjudicators akhona ku BAA akhona futhi ku manama
Oh really?
abanye bakhona
And sometimes, you know what would happen? They don't necessarily have to say, because good production wants to umuntu oyi-1. If lonke liyi-2 li-good ne, bayalifaka lonke lingu-2. For example, Aladdin for best actor, we had 2 nominations
from same production.
from same production yabo best act. Kwakungu Mr. Bramson lo Dean Jones. Wonke boyi-2 because bahle bathi bonke phela bayabulala.
Even uZantes.
Wonke baba nominate. It's within the same play. But babafaka bonke boyi-2. So we don't know. We are asking each other. I also think we are asking the people what are the thoughts.
Awards. What are your thoughts?
I difference yakhona nti I mean I think the difference akumelanga ibe nkulu kakhulu and
Yeah.
because for example mina I'm a big fan of Winky D and Winky D yima yabulala so kimi and ukuthi nxa kungathiwa maybe senze something and kuthiwe khetha artist ngiyakhetha Winky D and omunye sengangavumelani lami but ku top 3 yakhe sengamfaka uWinky D athi mina kimi kaso number 1 and number 1 ngulo but ku top 3 yabe khona and akwehlukani kakhulu kwizinto but manje between ama awards aweZimbabwe kwehlukana kakhulu like kakhulu
Like,
so
agcina so
ukuthi
ulizivalo
kakhulu like kuba
kwakho.
different kakhulu
Ufake lo Black Diva.
hayi kanti Black Diva libangani
Sifuna ukuthi uBlack Diva ayehlabela ingoma ngathi. Egcine seqala iRasta lam
Black Diva uno Tina
for no particular reason.
uno
Anyway, guys, can we just move on to the happenings in the past week? And we saw a lot of interesting things happening concerning children in the past week. For instance, we saw a trending video. The deputy minister in a certain sector, essentially, abang 42, eKhombeni ehlala 15 passengers. And those were 42 kids. And he was actually asking, he asked amapolisa, because amapolisa lapha those reflectors and stuff, road block 1. And then to the video, he actually threw a question to the parents to say, as a parent, how can you let your child egada ikhombi esiba ngumntwana number 42 ikhombi abantu abang 15?
Yeah, I think it's two-sided. Okokuqala, sorry minister, but angabuzanga nikakwazi ukwenzakalayo. Uyakwazi. UseZimbabwe minister, uyakwazi ukwenzaka. Uyakwazi ukuthi why abantwana bengu 42 eKhombi. Thina yithi actually omele simbuze ukuthi wenzani because kudala not kudala kakhulu mina ngise primary mina esikolo benisithi ibhuku lami lingaphela ngihambe office ngiyethatha ibhuku. Bekuku package school fees. Ipheni ngaphela bengihambe office ngiyethatha ipheni. Bekule transport yesikolo. Even kulo kuyikhombi even kulo kuyibhasi ekade ibhadale ukuthi abantwana abahlala khatshana bangena ku transport le and like into yakho ibile order so into lezi yazingapi kanti because these days esikolo njengami mntana mse Cochlear and angixolisa ukukhuluma lokho because ngichingile group in recently kuthiwa kumele sithenge ipadlock yokukhiya iclass ukwenza ukuthi abantwana bangahambe besindwa ama test ilokho mina umzali ngithenge ilokho yesikolo why kumele ngithenge ilokho.
And speaking of which, we have schools ukuthi umntwana uyangena from form 1 first term $35, second term $35, third term $35, up to form 4 every term ekhipha ama $35 awe bus.
Kodwa engena
ibhasi yemalini
abantwana bafika 1000 esikolo.
Ukuthi umntwana every term ukhipha $35 yebhasi every term. Besides the school fees,
everything. To administration block.
Sorry, I want to take you guys back to indaba yekhombi labantwana abayi 42. And you saying uminister was to yenzakalani. Uminister sengaba kwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sharp. It's okay. But as a parent, it's your responsibility to make sure that your child is safe. Man.
All right.
Is safety yomntwana. Umntana wakho engafa ehamba egedini kaminister yokuthi umntana amufile ngoba be 42 eKhombeni and wena uyakwazi.
Hayi singabalekeli iproblem esilayo.
Singakangeni
ukwenza abantwana babe ngu 42 eKhombeni and
igreed yomnikazi wekhombi.
Aso greed yomnikazi wekhombi. Because umnikazi wekhombi can choose ukupaka ikhombi yakhe.
Hayi ngeke akhethe.
Ayifake ku-6 uyifaka ku-6 Avenue. Ku-6 Avenue amakhomba cash $65.
Nanko
yakwazi uyifaka ku-6 ikhombi yakhe.
Yes the math.
Yakwazi uyifaka ku-6 ikhombi yakhe.
Mina ngivumelana lo dramatic miss la. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngikutshela nti sometimes amacala crime ayenzwa because of enabling behavior yabantu.
I agree.
If you are an enabler kufana lokuthi ulala ungakhiyanga uvulela amawindi iTV inkalakata yeTV lana asuka emdulini siyale ikhanyisa phandle uzitshela ukuthi isela lewe lingenelana endlini yami. If you are an enabler vele kuza njani?
What I'm saying is ukukhiya kwendlu ichoice. But mina ngisebenza alright imsebenza ama basic jobs etawula aholisa malini $200 ngile rent and ngile school fees kufunakala ipadlock esikolo kumele umntana amagade futhi and the closest cheapest transport ekhona iyona le yamakhombi because ibhasi yesikolo esayithengayo ayidlule eKaslami.
So sorry.
So ngenzeni ahlale.
Can I take you back? I like where you're going. Have you investigated ukuthi per child bambabe 42 umntwana we1 ubhadala malini
kwezindawo 25
mana mina
per
ngikuthi
month kwezindawo 45 per month mina manje lami ngike ngajova so mina ngiyakwazi
Bakhalkuletha ukuthi ngelanga ubeza
gada
gada ngemalini.
ngemalini
ngelanga
Yes.
ngedola 10 rand
Bayithi times ama days okuhamba isikole.
abacalculate njalo
Hayi ebaningi
abacalculate
futhi,
njalo
because bayenza
sometimes iyadlula khonapho
iyadlula.
iyadlula because
So
le
thank you.
delivery getting
So now you're getting to my point. When you are making it sound as if abantwana abagcwele ekhombini because bahamba mahara.
Umthovu cheaper
Abahambi
phela.
mahara.
alingizwe
Mm.
abahambi mahara
Yes, they're paying to be in that combi.
mandlo mina ngi-security guard and angazi ekhampanini engisebenzayo unkosikazi wami ngumaid ematshamhloni
Yes.
so unkosikazi wami ungena emsebenzini ngo-5 mina ngu-security guard ngitshayisa emsebenzini ngo-6 so it means umntwana ngingavele ngithi angene ekhombini ayekwehla ko-sales house akasoze akwanisa ukuwalka yedwa ayefika ngicela undlalele ayefika esikolo anti but nansi transport la erongo ekwanisa ukuthatha umntana nami egedini imchiye esikolo imthathe futhi esikolo imchiye egedini mina ngavele ngithi umntana nami selomuntu omphelekezelayo weka uthi sokuyimali
So Leslie.
so ngithi lokhu kuchipa lo
No, it's not cheaper.
Uyazi ukuthi
It's
zona
not
ukuthi
cheaper because it can cost you an
Uyazi
entire
ukuthi-
life.
empilweni I understand nxa sesikhuluma ngokuthi uyakwanisa
One, it's not cheap because it is a very expensive cost.
Anything.
They are quite very expensive. Number two, if you cannot afford to gugada umntwana, enroll umntwana at a local school.
sengincisha umntana nami i-education ayideservayo
It comes back to the
The
parent.
transport and proper SAQ.
lapha ngiyazama la njengomzali la angisoze ngithatha umntana nami ngimfundise ekhaya
Now, okay.
mina guys unsupport I'm just saying and no I'm not justifying you guys are not listening to me what I'm saying no mana no vele kumele sitshone because into le iqhakathekile and vele singabalekeli mina vele ngifuna abantu ababalekayo abantu labo bomtshova ba wrong and mina anyala ukuthi abantu laba ba wrong and bare ngikutshoyi ukuthi lina lingenzanga no minister right ngokwenza ngani it's a new discovery ukuthi ngikhona mbona mina uthi kulento enje then nxa usithi ngikhona mbona
It shows
who should be called to account first
it shows ukuthi
it's him do we have real reliable transport yini elizweni ingaphi
Akhona amamchova la.
yipi sikambe secheck ama COF khathesi
Leslie
ababhadala ama $3 kuma roadblock
Indaba ngani ukhuluma ngani umntana wakho uphakathi kwe42 days.
Hayi besides umntana nami I'm simply saying singa justify idoti because sikhulunywe ngominister
zwana ngikutshelani it's not ukuthi uminister probably can't even relate ngoba wakho umntwana uyashow for esikolo A1 so the minister
bahlale lokuthini nje uminister is just a title
minister probably can't even relate
So then why are you making it his problem? Because you are saying
Alright,
it's not his problem that a parent feels to be responsible for their child and then goes on to blame politics.
sorry ni phela
umzali ungabona umntwana wakho esiba ngowesi42 emoteni
wena mzali
vele akula need yokuthi blame anyone else it's your fault we've seen accidents in for instance in South Africa uzwe kuthiwa I think even locally uzothiwa iwonda fit ibulela abantu abayi12 all dead 12 then you start thinking ukuthi iwonda fit
Karitina no Tina ifite ligadalela labantu abangayi ezigada sezili kumele libe lengayi
4
so that's wrong
Kurong.
kurong vele
okwenza kube wrong okuyini asilandaba la kwathi
yazi uthini navela abantu
Because that's where I'm going.
Labantu abagada amawonda fit ngiyabajaja uyakwazi
umthovo ogada wena uyabulabantu abangayi umthovo ogada ulabantu abangawe egodini
18.
so singabaleki like sezama ukubaleka but iqiniso liphambi kwethu nanti 18 overload 18 overload is overload
umthovu uthi overload
42 ngabantwana bakwanisa ukuphathana hayi anengqondo zikamthovo ngeke ngachova what I'm saying Thandwa lina lifuni kufesa ama facts And the fact is asila reliable transport system for abantwana labadala sikade umjovo overloadileyo and wonke umuntu uhlale ku overload every day wonke umuntu that is the issue at hand. So singakathi wena mzali wrong ngokugadisa umntwana umjovo le 42 umzali yena lwa obehlezi nga44
42 guys.
So
obehlezi so kuqalela ngapi ukuthi kuyefika ku 42.
Difference is just too much.
do you know what is some of these parents? Another thing, some of these parents don't even know that abantwana babo banenganga kwezimoto and
Which is true.
you know because
Nxa eqala kungeqala ukugada umjovo ufika ngini empty. Uthwala
Which is
umntwana
true,
run
which is
uhambe.
abanye babone ngevideo ukuthi hezho umntana wami ngapha nguye yabusu yethu umntana akho ehlezi phambili phambi kwe-screen by 6 which means abanye already umbani omzali ofuna umntana kambe umile
then badlule emapoliseni.
yimithova engu-2 let's also take
So minister ikade
accountability.
kubuza phela ukuthi kathi lamapholisa umjova lo mntwana bang42 udlule njani kini noma kuthiwa
bakwazi
ucorrupt zona ukuthi
uminister
ngezinye indlela uthi noma kuthiwa ucorrupt akukube lo nebheza la ukube le
Impilo yabantwana.
hayi ukuba corrupting i-corrupt civil but la I draw the line. You get it?
Yakwazi ukuthi 42 ngamakhombe ayi-2 like
asokakoma u2
ngamakhombe ayi-2
adlula akakoma u3 because ikhombe ingena 15.
no, let's just say let's work with the usual overload. And let's
akakoma u3
Anjabo. So
awezivela u2
so can let's also now omunye asiso lena lo u-service provider they need to be accountable ukuthi alright uyabanika ama-receipt number nansi receipt yakho sebhadalile afollow up on 42 people ukuthi sebebhadalile ama-$40 each 42 times $40 every month.
and singabuyela kuma-service provider.
Greed. That's greed.
It's a topic for another day but
Greed.
eqinisweni siyakwazi ukuthi abanikazi bamakhombi ngoba yikho mina singatshani sodwa nje abayanga into yabo niqalisela le isehlubuya kithi abayanga.
Mina uLeslie ngiyamuzwa but ipoint yami mina uminister ngiyam-understand ukuthini ubesithi idlule nje ezini ukuthi guys noma kuthiwa liyadizwa kulezinye izinto okumele lithi hayi lokhu no you know especially case enjengayina le ukuthi you find ikhombi ekumele ithwala abantu abangu-12 ithwele abantwana abangu-42 so lathi as parents I think we should be responsible for i-safety yabantwana bethu when they are going to school or when they are coming back home so guys
baminyene ezikolo
I think
sibili
angazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini is it i-population growth or izikolo zilutshwane I don't even know because kadesi we are even seeing ama-private schools emafletini etown
lawana asoma-private schools
ngabani
sizadinga ibizo but
sizabe sidinga because akulabo private laba
Dominican Convent is a private school.
ngoba you will find
Girls' college
a private school here a brothel next door eShabini opposite
Yikho ngisithi ungathi
and there's a
private.
private school here
Hayi lokhana so private.
lokanomese kudingela ibizo ukuthi kuthiwa kuyini kunga because aso private
Aso private. Private school i-Falcon College.
Falcon College Dominican Convent
so
lokakule bizo lakho asikalitoyi but
Asikaze sibe invested in trying to find out lenzani.
so laba batsho ngobani ngo-rentals laba foundation college
Wena
as long as
Ngoba-
bizwa sikwazi but as
Dale
long as
kungusicabanza labantu.
kuzula uqamba uconvent labo lokhu zena asikambeni phela
I
lalawo
mean angazama private schools lokho kunyangikwazi karinya ngikwazi nje angazama private school kule Dominican Convent kule Petra
mina ngikwazi ukuthi you cannot afford a private school nga uhlale lokchi.
really
I understand?
but
Ungazwanga.
yabaya ngaphi ngaphi
Nga uzwile nga unzwanga unzwanga.
anyway
Liyani ukuthi umntana ngwada ufeyile form 4.
eh
Sesi all of a sudden se repeater. Usesiya ku private school. Private school vela ela mntana repeaters man.
ile Cambridge alright
Le Cambridge.
bazali besikomiklisi mina labangani bami silama CCTV lapha sicheka ama happening umntwana watshontshwa umntwana wanyamalala samdinga sonke so as a whole saphuma so sigcwala so indawo yonke so samdinga so pa sabe siyamfula zathi simfuli la befika ama journalist Nkosi yami kanti journalist yezimbabwe ifundelwa nga
Kanti okokuqala i-surgical mask ayiphelanga i-COVID-19 yini phela thina eZimbabwe imaskisi imaskisi esibhedlela siyakwazi ula ama-mask but imask siyifunde nge-COVID-19
True.
I think indaba le yani maybe Leslie you can just tell the viewers what really happened ngoba vele lapha ababukela abanye sebedobhadobha ukuthi kule surgical mask involved kulo Miklis involved.
This is exactly what happened from the Leslie's mouth and so horseman. So we had an issue of that kidnapping, right? Yeah. So kulo mntwana watshontshwayo ko Miklis then kwasokulandelwa ama CCTV. I think after 2 days, which is 48 hours, babe bese recover umntwana eflatini ku 3rd and Herbert Depo. Sebenzise ama tip off angazi ukuthi why umuntu onika abantu information bemuthi whistle blower aliniki information lini information lithi whistle blower kuthi whistle blower azaliniki ngicela sidinge ibizo elokunika mina nxani le information ayonto whistle blower so lo whistle blower seblower ki whistle yakhe bamrecover umntwana bathe bemrecoverile base berecover ukuthi umntwana obetshontshe ngumntwana ole 14 years. So umntwana lo ole 14 years ngingazi omama bazancedisa namhla bamphikisa ngingedwa next week izabiza igest eyindoda mbele pha. So umntwana se discover base bemgqokisa imask le ikhumbula abazali eCovid le esasigqoka sicatshela iCovid-19.
Mana simbiza umntwana bambona.
Bamgqokisa so imask umntwana so yavala ayibingavalanga lutho vele then umntwana nxa sebemgqokisa imask engavalanga lutho kuthiwa semprotect ngemask base besithi
anonymity
mbani ibizo lakho khuluma ibizo lakho lo leminyaka emingaki kanti ijournalism mina mfundanga bakithi ijournalism kanti what's happening kanti
you know what I think journalism ekhona nti ekhona these days abantu bagijimisa ukuthi mina ngibe ngokuqala ukukhipha news and sometimes they even forget ama ethics omele bawalandela anti I think umlando in this case usukuma institutions adila ngokuprotect abantwana because they were quiet. Social media yeba ngumsindo but we didn't see ukuba khona kwabi weight yabo when it comes to protecting ngisho ama institutions akhangele ngabantwana they were just so quiet but it's individuals abapushileyo ukuthi kathi into leyi why is this happening but when ama institutions they were quiet ujournalist ubegijimisa ukuthi yengisa indaba anje bona ukuthi kathesi utrendile because of that because even weight ye story ayisekonzima kakhulu osokunzima osokukhulunywa kakhulu osokusemlonyeni wabantu ngujournalist lendlela a reporte ngayo indaba yakhe indaba yona ngokwayo yokuthi umntwana lo le 15 years ukidnapeleni umntwana uhlala lobani wayo le boyfriend endala ibisikhulunywa but ibisiyindabanyana nje engazindaba yalutho indaba bese kuyiliyane ukuthi ujournalist ama ethics ijournalism professionalism yena nguye bese trend yabo.
Yeah, mina I think I would like to apologize on behalf of the journalist. Why? I feel like sometimes because social media sonkeni I think si generation asithola nge social media ikhona sonkeni siqala lokho si experience asifunda every day, you know, and I genuinely think they meant well when they posted that because mind you indaba really is not about lo mntwana otshontsha umntwana. Indaba isekuthini umntwana utshontshiwe which is the toddler only 2 years. So if people were able to post that 2-year-old ukuthi agcwale every atholakala mina as a journalist and with this gold information sasilitholisela I feel like they wanted to say right sasibabambile and I think yes the issue of age comes in ukuthi minor. But also I think at a bigger isikhiwa sesibaleka manje but yebule 14 but icala singakhohlwa because ngale sesikhohliwe thina icala eliyilo lenziwe umntwana lo le 14 sonke sesisithi yeah child protection protector nomuntu otshontsha umntwana ambola lathi bethi sayajengisa boyfriend and we were not going to have that information if they had not recorded it. So I think we need to be very lenient also lathi as ama-police ka social media ukuthi fine ibuso ababufihlanga, but let's not overlook the actual story, because right now so kulomumba who has been arrested for ukulala lo mntwana lo le 14. You were not going to know if they had not posted it, you know, like
they would uyakwazi
disagree.
ukuthi mina lami khona lapho they would
Disagree.
post it anti whilst maintaining anonymity yomntwana because a 14-year-old mind you is also a child.
Yes.
And from what we are seeing uonile yes but kube some sort of abuse and manipulation eyenzakeleyo for her to also commit that crime. Obviously if you have a 36-year-old as a boyfriend.
My point is
ngabe ngithe ngiqala bengingu dramatic miss sengiyoMrs Mvana wasufuchinga.
My point is ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi i-journalist liyenze i-investigative journalism la thola lona umntwana lo le 14 years man wamposta ngabe ngithi i-journalist le lisebenzile ayikho ngithi uzwe kuthiwa umuntu obetshontsha umntwana setholakele ulandele central ubususithi sengi-expose u-expose into sisemapholiseni amapholisa sebuzi because i-statement akade bebatshela sona ama-journalist bese sibhaliwe vele emapholiseni.
Social media police.
No, as police officers, we are saying into abayenzileyo into le wrong.
Yes, but there is a bigger problem. It's just a face of someone who stole a child. But
Of
we
a
have
child.
guys, we've got a bigger problem at hand. Of that kid only 2 years. Ngabe kube late ngabe katholakalanga ngaba there is a mother out there umntwana wakutshontshiwe and you are telling me ukuthi we all are stopping our lives right now ukuthi sesikhuluma ukuthi wayebengafihlanga ibizo lomntwana lo asikhulumeni ngomntwana ekade etshontshiwe has it been checked ukuthi umntwana lo was sexually abused at the age of 2 years? Has it been checked lo uhambe voluntarily? The only problem with this specific child is the age lokuthi there was no child protection. But tell me, how am I trying to involve child protection emntwaneni that I'm still trying to find out ukuthi why did you steal a 2-year-old? Sengibhokele vele. I don't understand how your priorities are misplaced.
Man, it's not about priorities. Ulahlekile. Our point is umntwana ngumntwana no matter the circumstance and man nguphila chance yokukhuluma and we never diverted from a story somntwana otshontshiwe. No, it's not what we are talking about now. It's not what we are talking about now.
Sesigcona ama journalists.
Ungabalekeli thini indaba esikhuluma ngayo. Anti umntwana lo we were talking about it last week. Ukuthi umntwana utshontshiwe and we're making noise about umntwana otshontshiwe. Yes, so umntwana lwana otshontshiwe sesimtholile ayikontakusela ndaba singenzangani icala esele wonke amanye amacala esenzakala right because kulomntwana obetshontshiwe so wonke amanye amacala se right everything is now correct wonke umuntu sevuyela ukuwona
belizabakwazi yini ukuthi umumba lena akale sifusela ichinge ukuthi uphiwe 3 years belizabakwazi yini vele
singafiki khona
lina khathesa but khathesi athi nina ngama social media police
asithika nge 3 years thina alika 3 years esiledabalayo
madoda umntwana lethu yezitshontshiwe sesikeza check ukuthi bayifake
lalela umntwana lo uphiwe 3 years and juvenile ejele yama juveniles anti
ngoba mphili
hayi kanti 3 years ngezani
ngezikamumba
i3 years ngezani hayi mina khomba nendaba
sembuya khona
what I'm simply saying is and thina kumele angazi ukuthi baleli right ngelokuthina ukuthi kumele sikwanise thina ukuprotectana and so akula ngitsho one i-journalist kupanel leyana eyenze i-investigative journalism yahamba yathola umntwana bebe rely on information esemapholiseni so amapholisa asebuyile and singawoni just because kulomntwana obenyamalele asirepoteni kuhle.
ukuthi hayi
So we are not saying don't report, but sithi reportani kuhle.
ethical journalism usetholakele
Reportani
ayisile limtholileyo
Basol nali nje ethi sesisimba ngamacala at hand. Bese
Hayi,
siqalisa
kwelujuba ngokudelvela.
mani
Asikhulumi ngawo la.
I'm telling you.
Sikhuluma nge-journalism ngoba thina
Mana,
siyi-media house.
Mana, it's unfortunate ukuthi I can have 50 positive stories. And then on the day where I mess up that one story, it was story number 51.
abanye bakhona vele kakazi abale positive story
Abanye they always
Ubani,
wrong.
no,
U-Ezra. Akumelanga ukuthi
which
sisuka
positive
kude
story have you
into,
found reported by Ezra
aso problem
Nika
kamama
wani.
lwana orange moant ukuthi ama-journalist wala ma-mic okumfaka la so kumele harass ukuthi khulumela phezulu
nika one
so problem yakho
One
mama lo
positive
uthanda
story.
ma-mic le
ubuhle kungenzakala ubuhle you won't find him reporting into enhle kathesi wena
Uyafollow
kathesi
hamba.
So my point is, if we want to be investigative journalists, and asidingeni thina sothi isitori ayikona ukuya hlupha umntwana
So amaphoyisa they were supposed to say no then.
hayi singatshintshi
No,
amaphoyisa
no.
wena ubudefenda ama-journalist khathesi
Uye umntwana ube phakathi anti wafika wathi salibonani mina ngingu-Ezra handi bengicela ubona umntwana obotshwe mfum interview
So sithi right yini
ipholisa
u-Ezra?
litheni
Wena
lona?
phenduka uthi
Eh?
right yini u-Ezra?
Uba,
U-Ezra.
mina ngithi there were mistakes along the way.
yena uright yini
What do you mean?
right mina kungathiwa ngili-journalist anti ngihamba ngiyokufundela lokha so I'm a professional in that field
Leslie wena ukwazi ukhohlwe umana wena uyetheater
ngiyakhohlwa kakhulu vele ama-lines bara kufanani kufana lokuthi
Siyakuthanda ukuthi ukhohlwe ama-lines.
udriver
Does it take away from you that you are a good actor?
hayi ukukhohlwa ama-lines anti lokutshintsha iplay yonke into ezingu-2 ezehlukeneyo lokhu yikutshintsha iplay yonke
But guys,
Akhohlwa
ma,
ngama-lines
utshela
la,
ukuthi
utshintsha
imask-
iplay
man,
yonke.
man,
Ngakho
ukufaka imask is an attempt. Is an attempt ukuthi at least funga umvala.
Hayi,
Of course,
wena
guys,
journalist, hayi, wena
you
futhi
ufakile
hayi,
imask.
hayi,
God
hayi.
would have bled
Hayi,
the
wena
entire
ufuna
face
but
You
wena
can
umntwana
clear the
lana
face.
umntwana
The
adesingathiwa
entire
umdwebu ungamdweba.
kanti ngimdwebelani mina umntwana mina
Uyamumbonile.
Kanti bonke abahlala la
Ade
e-Rich
uzadweba
Mobile.
lapha lalapha kodwa lapha ubonanga.
hayi
Ufana
man
uqoqa
lo hayi
amaglazi
Liphanjaniswa idatha lika-Econet yidatha yona le too much social media police umuntu guys uyaphambanisa umuntu uyaqoleka next thing sesiyashota izitori thina ngoba ninalithethisa umuntu ngoba yeyi
hayi alright siyaxolisa alright yenzani elikufunayo
mina sesiyakhohlwa abalaleli guys
but I mean ipoint yami mina vele angisoze ntshintshe and whether views whether sithola imali or whatever and hayi ukuthi kuthiwa sesihamba thina sisesaba ama-journalist because maybe abakufundelanga ukuba ama-journalist singayenzi ukuthi kuphambanisa kube right
Mistakes
because
are-
sonke
mistakes
siyaphambanisa
happen.
the
You know
next
what?
thing siyabe sibulala abantu kuma-accident sithi yi-mistake
mistakes
And you know
happen
what?
yiko kuthiwa i-accident
I think
so
also-
umuntu angashaya umuntu ku-zebra cross yi-mistake
angcono sicisha amakhamera
hayi
I think
madoda
also,
okubi
guys,
vele
I
asikukhulumeli
think
vele
we also
lokhu kubi
expect
lo
better. We also expect better from a journalist esikwazi ukuthi wakufundela ubujournalist
Yes.
and he's got decades of experience. We don't
Massive
expect such a
experience,
person.
guy.
We don't expect such a person, and the person has got a huge following and huge influence.
Imagine.
Ukuthi even angazipost ekhwehlela
siyalayikha
views.
siyakhomenta
You
So
see,
can I-
so we don't expect umuntu onjalo to behave as if he's a citizen journalist.
umuntu esenasti afunjeni
We don't
Ngicela
expect
ngikhulume
that.
iqiniso and many viewers will agree with me. Just be honest with yourself. I didn't see a problem with that video until people started talking about it.
because we are not mindful about
No,
abantwana
not just being mindful. I was more concerned about the story of umntwana yena lo omncane onjani otshontshiweyo 1. 2, bekuyikuthi mina ngiso journalist so lina ama-ethics lina eliwaziyo mina ngiwazi. I feel like the people that let yebo uphambanisile u-Ezra and the team that he was with, but it is the other journalists that abafake itorch bathi Buddha suphambanisile and we're going to make it public because mina as a regular
And is
viewer
that wrong?
and as a regular viewer angizange athi yabona problem kukangaki sibona abantwana betshaywa nguswazi ngabanye abazali or what ku-social media and then we act from that. Guy, it was a mistake that we are not saying good right, that was a mistake, right? But let's not crucify someone over that one mistake because
No.
la lapha khona he's feeling he's like that up.
Not ukuthi celebrating.
No,
ukuthi
my
Nkolelo
point-
ilama-
my
ilama-
point-
No, come on. If it's your profession, if it's your profession,
Like,
you feel
yeah,
pathetic.
le-
You
Yeah.
would. Mina ngake ngakhohlwa nganze yararo uyipintombi. Ngabe ngikhohlwa iverse. Abantu bebukele so amakiwa so ngabe ngichaya so ngabe ngithula so session. I felt pathetic the whole night. Yebo isikhathi futhi ndibesenzani la. Already I'm feeling pathetic. Don't rub in the salt.
Hayi phela sokusiya ngokuthi
Right,
umuntu wakhona
Mando, andisikhuluma nge-seasoned journalist, and olama followers amaningi.
Sasizukufela thina silama 100,000
Hayi,
followers.
Mando man. We're talking about a seasoned journalist, and guys, remember these things are going to come back and bite us.
Yes.
ngoba ngelinye
To be
ilanga
honest,
umntana
these things are going to
kodwa
come
ukuthi
back
ubheme imbali,
and
bayikhiphe
bite
i-face
us.
yakhe yonke. And abantu
So,
abazibheme imbali.
right.
Hey,
So,
uzabona
ngicela
sepositive.
nokuqhubeka.
But liyavuma
Engikutshoyo,
ithi mistake.
ngiyavuma ukuthi i-mistake.
Manini okwamaqina.
Hayi, sifuna
Masingaze
umnikazi
Ukuthi
we-mistake.
i-mistake
Mina
ngiyavuma,
ngizavuma umnikazi we-mistake angavumi.
Anga-agree, yes.
Zwanini
Batshela kavumi.
Zwanini phela anti media house yami. Lina lo yithule yavuma yini kodwa ukuthi yi mistake.
Hayi mina ngivuma.
You think it was intentional?
Mina ngizavuma.
Hayi,
I'm
ngenhliziyo
neutral.
yakho.
I'm neutral. Ngizavuma
mistake?
umnikazi we-mistake angatsho ukuthi le ibe
Guys,
kuyi-mistake.
we genuinely overlook certain things.
Ungabulala umuntu, can you stand and say, Magistrate, a mistake?
But ngimbulele.
So a
You know
mistake.
what?
But
You know what?
ngimbulele.
You know
Let me
what?
be charged.
Let me
Yes.
te- let me tell you
Ngoba
something.
ngimbulele.
You know what? Let's
Umchaye esibili ngehloka
we are
sithi
now-
hayi ihloka lele ngikuchaye
Guys,
ngalo
guys,
But
guys,
ngingamthuza
guys.
nge-mistake ke.
umthuze
Hello?
ngithi
But
ihloka nanti ihloka.
ngimbulele. But ngimbulele. I will be accountable ukuthi ngimbulele but ngiyalivuma.
My point is,
Hello.
one day
Hello,
these things are
guys.
going to come back and
I-program
bite
yethu
us.
sokumele iphela. But mina into kade ngifuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi have you noticed ukuthi sometimes umuntu uyaposta ulutho sichayana amakhanda njengakhona ke sikwenzayo yena lapha khona uyabe sithi hayi le impact itrendile.
Yeah, because if he's monetizing.
That's what I'm saying ukuthi Tina, we might say it was intentional yet it was not. We might say it was a mistake yet it was not. Yena umnikazi ngiyokwaziyo, but since he has been called out, if it was a mistake would have seen maybe a statement, a press statement or something, but lapha khona uthi this one trended.
Let's talk
Yabo?
about. Sorry. Do you follow stories ka Ezra somntwana nana abancedisa ukuhamba isikole? Ose owefizi
Yes,
wathi
yes,
sebemhambisele ku boarding.
I follow Ezra like every day.
So what do you think about that story?
That's a good thing.
It's a good thing. Is it okay that the face is out there?
It's not damaging.
It's not
It's not
damaging.
damaging.
Akulacala
But
la.
umntwana
It's
kakula nto
excellence.
damaging ayenzileyo.
It's excellence. This is excellence.
Let me give you an
Zwanini
example
alikaphenduli
engafana
Zwanini.
mina
Selibalekele
Mana,
into
mana,
engifuna
mana,
ukuyisho.
mana,
Hayi,
mana,
selibalekele into
mina I'm
engifuna
agreeing with you,
ukuyisho. Ukuthi it's a good thing. Aren't
Yeah.
Can I
Soon
respond?
after
Mana,
that,
qaqede,
so soon after that, we were saying it's good abayithi umntwana semhambisele esikole.
Yeah.
And then, how then are you saying it was not a mistake ukuthi bamrecord umntwana lo?
No, it was a mistake.
It was a mistake.
Yeah, it was a
Guys,
mistake.
we make mistakes.
Yeah, it was a mistake.
We make mistakes.
Mina
It was a mistake.
Mina angivumi. Guys,
It was
you
a
know,
mistake. It was a
it's been
mistake.
hot. It's been a hot session, and I don't think we've had any session like this before, but it's been a hot one. Can we hear what you guys are saying, Guma comments about History Lesi, from how it started and and finding out that a 14-year-old was the one responsible for the kidnapping, as well as the manner in which the story was reported by media houses ethu lama journalists ethu. Can you just give us a feedback khona lapho kuma comments? We would really appreciate to hear from you. And now this brings us to the close of the session. Leslie, do we have any events coming up?
Yeah, we've got events coming up. Amaningi kakhulu. So my journalists lihambe kuma events. Those are proper stories. Lokho kwena wenza idoti lokho lingakwenza. So we've got
Siyabuya njani kuma events uzodi?
Right. I think we've got something in Ebulawa Theatre this coming weekend on the 28th of February. We've got Divas Night. There's going to be a huge lineup. I saw Letu, Luchichiki, Baneng, but the show ngeka Aquila K, yeah, Aquila K. It's just $2. Too high, bagit 40 rand. Hayi bakithi ayikwani vele a proper meal. So make your way there and have some fun and just enjoy. I'm a roast. They are slowly approaching. Sile roast ega mayor wetu umlungisi Coltert, hosted by Umahlekisa Entertainment. So we are going to have i-host kamlungisi. Ama tickets aseqalisile ukuthengiswa ngo-April khona apha eduze khona sile roast ekamlungisi on the 10th of April. So make sure ukuthi you get your ticket izolo ngoba ungalithenga namuhla hayi awuyabusuphuzile. Then we've got the roast of Pardon Kaya, a High Popular, which is going to be hosted by High Popular. So we are going to have a roast khona ngale, a massive lineup. Kuyachaza sibili abantu babe behleka mina vele ngiyabenhleka akulento ngayenza empilweni lami esihleka abantwana bengehla bengu42 siyahleka siyahleka vele impilo yethu ngiyokuhleka abazali singabilo laka singazonda sihlekeni. So amanye angwazi abantu abantshelanga so zenprophesy magawa abotsha into zayo uprofessor kuyahlupha. So those are the events that I have, my upcoming events. Nxa kulamanye engakawadopa, I think bazangitext, bazangisendela ama message, bazangiWhatsApp, then sibe sesixoxisana ngawo. Right, for the big one on the 31st of May, bangani bami abe diaspora, labanye abase diaspora le lapha eSouth and
abangela ama passport
Thoman ngamkhohlwa umngane wami eSouth kanti ngikukhohlwa njani mngane wami ngiyaxolisa. Right, labo nkomo right. 31 May, we've got the big one, Melodic Woman. Ngiyabe ngishaya one man show stand up comedy zabe zikhala lapho kama ribs ami qhamuka ma ribs so tateli ribs zabe zikhala. So 31 May ama tickets siyaqalisa ukwathengisa izolo. So if you need your early bird ticket, it's going for $5. Angaphela ama early bird sesikhamba ku $10. VIP ayitshintshi iyaqhubeka $20 whether early bird whether late bird kumbe inyoni kuphela lana ekuflake, whatever bed that you choose to be. If VIP is going for $20 and ama early bird for ordinary they are going for $5. Angaphela then we are going to $10 for our ticket. So make sure you get your ticket today. Kumbe umfonele uthi I know mina ngikho Venezuela but ngifutengela abantu abangu34 swi sakuchayela izandla la i-investigation eyabuyishaya kuhle sharp. Mina kade ngilo no let dramatic miss usuthi
and you know what, just to say thank you to Dramatic Miss for joining us today. Uyosinika okunye kuyi-vibe ade singasela uyazilesile kade nilalisa
serious
mina ngicine nini la
ulesile kade nilalisa
lapha
ka
ungcine
ikade ngasaphumulayo ngoba bengozela la but anyway you just give me that vibe today.
Mase I'm resigning.
As you are concluding the session, mina ngilombuzo oyi-1 because you left me hanging and I'm sorry because my husband is a lawyer and very very argumentative. Ukubuza ukuthi fine sesifocusile kumntwana lo ukuthi child protection what umntwana lo njobe tshontsha umntwana kumele abotshwe yini?
Kumela
Botsho
akumela ungene child protection kumele
no vele ijele labantwana likhona
ijele labantwana vele
ijele labantwana
it's okay makhiwane so right
anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe to the channel and also share labanye so that labo beboni ungakholisi wedwa. And please share i-Deb3 events ikhona kuma social media platforms onke, ikhona ku Facebook, ikhona ku Twitter, ikhona ku TikTok, ikhona ku Instagram, and also follow ngilitshele ngathi she's rising akakami usephezulu but lokho riser. Follow Dramatic Miss across all social media platforms. The name is Dramatic Miss and my social media platforms ngisho ku social media, so it's Dramatic Miss. Just follow her, guys. I'm telling you, this is low, you're not going to regret it. Uzuzuthi and she's actually different on social media than loka ikokona lapha labana uyabehlanya labana uyabehlanya sikhona njalo kuthina ama MC zenu lathi sikhona ku social media. I'm on sabbatical until April, ngizaba khona end of April ku social media, but you can be following, but I'm not there, but you can be following. General Leslie ukhona
ngikhona nami emagwegwe
la unganisho lokunye kuyikuhlanyanyana sesiba lakho these days.
Mina ngamvele ngihlanya but ngangingahlanyele ebantwini
unganokwento kwakhona ngani but anyway
ngihlanyele endlini. Right, Dramatic Miss siyabonga, thank you so much for
kanti mina limbuzi TV ukhona
awena vele ukhona vele
limbuzi
ukhona yini
Buza nini?
ukhona
bakhona abangani bakhe
ababuye bangivalelise enkundleni exclusive amfuni ukuqalisa ukuhlanya kwami laye lo ngcono sihle sivale ngoba kungawonakala la thina njenge-Dep3 events silayo i-Okuhle Designs epower ama-episodes ethu lo Dramatic Miss across all social media platforms especially ku-Facebook kulesicwaka so asibuthaneni khona ngale sikommente silike sithi hayi sikubonile Dep3 and so on and so on mina igama njena Leslie ngale kulonontuduzo Ncube lapha kulothando lonkosi Nkiwane siya Leslie signing out salibona sikalikakela
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Yabe sekudwini